Hello, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your external USB hard drive on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you are using an external hard drive, you actually want to turn around your PlayStation 5 and plug it into the back slots. And I have a small USB drive right here that I'm plugging in. Now, if you try to plug it into the front slot, it simply will not work and you won't be able to format the drive. So you have to plug into one of the back USB slots located over here. Then simply turn around your console and put it back into place. Now let's go over to my PS5 and we have to format the drive. Now on the home screen of your PlayStation 5, go up to the top and go to Settings and select this and go on down to Storage. Then go to USB Extended Storage and then go to Format as USB Storage. Now, if you don't have it plugged into the back slots, when you press this, it will say go ahead and plug into the rear USB slots. Now, also, if your USB drive doesn't meet the requirements, it will pop up on the screen what the requirements are. Like you need a USB drive that supports super speeds or faster, has a capacity of 200 gigabytes minimum, up to 8 terabytes maximum, and it has to be directly connected to your PlayStation 5. So the USB drive I have connected does not support extended storage. But once you go ahead and format your USB drive, it's going to erase all the data on that drive. Then you'll want to go down to Install Location, and then you'll want to go over to the PS4 games and switch this over to your extended storage drive. So all your PlayStation 4 games that you download are downloading and installing on that specific hard drive. And I do have an external M.2 SSD installed on my PlayStation 5, and you can switch games back and forth by simply pressing X on the game and going to select items to move, and you can move it back between your console storage and your external storage very easily. So I have Minecraft selected. I can move it over to my console storage now. Press OK. And this may take quite a long time if you're using an external drive. I would suggest going out and buying an M.2 SSD and getting something that's at least 1 to 2 terabytes. This is going to be far quicker than using an external hard drive, and it's going to give you sufficient amount of space for your PlayStation 5 games. Now with an external hard drive, you can only download and play games that are PlayStation 4 games. You cannot play PlayStation 5 games, so you're very limited. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.